Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to forward a message on WhatsApp. Whether you want to share a funny meme, an important update, or simply pass along information, following these simple steps will have you sharing messages in no time. So, let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your Android device. If you don't have it open yet, go ahead and find that green icon and tap on it. Once you're in, navigate to the chat that contains the message you want to forward. Scroll through your conversations until you find the right one. Now, locate the message you wish to forward. It'll be right there in the chat, waiting for you. Next, tap and hold the message. This action will bring up a menu and allow you to select what you want to do with the message. After holding it, look for the forward icon at the top right of your screen and tap on it. This icon often looks like an arrow pointing to the right. Now it's time to select the contact you want to send the message to. You'll see a list of your contacts pop up. Simply tap on the one you'd like to share the message with. Finally, tap the send arrow icon to forward your message. Just like that, your message is on its way to the selected contact. And that's it. You've successfully forwarded a message on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.